Stop again. What can I say? Your mom's. I'm laughing, but I don't think that you're funny. I'm staying cause you give me all your money. I'm a bad girlfriend. I'm a bad girlfriend. Yeah. I'm a bad girl. I'm a bad girlfriend. I'm a bad girl. I'm a bad girlfriend. Yeah. You make me dinner, then I order takeaway. You wanna meet my friends? I say another day. You trust me with your keys, and I fuck up your car. You gonna stay with me? I'll break your heart, cause I'm one in a million, more like in a billion. I don't think it's cheating if I'm kissing other women. I do some shit you can't forgive, and you better get used to it. I'm a bad girlfriend, I'm a bad girlfriend. You told me your birthday, I forgot again. I'm a bad girlfriend, I'm a bad girlfriend. I can see you calling, I'm not answering. I'm laughing, but I don't think that you're funny. I'm staying cause you give me all your money. I'm a bad girlfriend, I'm a bad girlfriend. Yeah. Woo! I'm a bad girl. I'm a bad girlfriend. I'm a you know I'm not good for your health, and everyone else can tell. I'm a bad girlfriend, yeah. I'm a bad girl. I'm a bad girlfriend. That I'm bad girlfriend, yeah. I'm a bad girl. I'm a bad girlfriend. I'm a bad girl. I'm a bad girlfriend, yeah.
I've been a liar, been a thief, been a lover, been a cheat. All my sins need holy water, feel it washing over me. Well, little one, I don't want to admit to something. If all it's gonna cause is pain, truth in my lies right now are falling like the rain. So let the river run.
He's coming home with his neck scratched to catch black. Sweat jackets and dress slacks mismatched on his breast jack. He's a sex addict and she just wants to exact revenge and get back. It's a chess match. She's on his back like a jetpack. She's kept track of all his internet chats. And guess who just happens to be moving on to the next? Actually just shit on my last chick, and she has what my ex lacks. Cause she loves danger, psychopath. And you don't fuck with no man's girl, even I know that. But she's devised some plan to stab him in the back, knife in hand. Says the relationship's hanging by a strand. So she's been on the web lately. Says maybe she'll be my Gwen Stacy.
Water, feel it washing over me. Well, little one, I don't want to admit to something. If all it's gonna cause is pain, truth in my life now are falling like the rain. So let the river run.
One night stand turned into nightstand. It was calling some lights gram. Now we hung tight and he found out. Now she feels deserted and used cause he left. So what, he did it first to her too. Now how am I supposed to tell this girl that we're through? It's hard to find the words, I'm aloof, nervous and sued. I want this to hurt, but what you deserve is the truth. Don't take it personal, I just can't say this in person to you. So I revert to the studio like hole in the wall diners. Don't have to be reserved in a booth. I just feel like the person who I'm turning into. Irreversible, I prayed on you like it's church at the pew, and now that I got you, I don't want you. Took advantage of my thirst to pursue. Why do I do this dirt that I do? Get on my soapbox and preach my sermon and speech detergent and bleach is burning the womb. Cause now with her in the womb, we can't bring her in this world to the new. To use protection for a bit into your forbidden fruit.
I've been a liar, been a thief, been a lover, been a cheat. All my sins need holy water, feel it washing over me. Well, little one, I don't wanna admit to something. If all it's gonna cause is pain, the truth in my life now we're falling like the rain. So let the river run.
My name,
Oh,
my name's River. River runs, call me, River.
we'll let the river run.
Always the bridesmaid, never the bride. Hey, what can I say? If life was a highway, the seat was an enclave, I'd be swerving in 5 lanes. Speeds at a high rate, like I'm sliding on ice, maybe. That's why I made it came at you sideways. I can't keep my lies straight. What I made you terminate my baby. This love triangle left us in a rectangle. What else can I say? It was fun for a while. Bet I really would've loved your smile. Didn't really wanna abort, but fuck it, what's one more lie to tell an unborn child?
I've been a thief, been a lover, been a cheat. All my sins need holy water, feel it washing over me. Well, little one, I don't wanna admit to something. If all it's gonna cause is pain, the truth in my lies now are falling like the rain. So let the river run.
Why do you crash my party? How do you always call me? Right when I start feeling like I'm strong enough to let it all go. How do you always show up right at the perfect moment? As soon as I'm forgetting all about you, you end up in my door. How do you know? 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 If you really love me, then let me go now. Find somebody new and take them home now. I look at you, I miss you, and I start from starting over. So can we start from starting something that we know that we can handle? Find somebody new, a different angle. I look at you, I miss you, and I start from starting over. And we need to start all over again. I've missed your calls for months it seems. Don't realize how mean I can be. Cause I can sometimes treat the people that I love like jewelry. Cause I can change my mind each day. I didn't mean to try you on, but I still know your birthday and your mother's favorite song. So I'm sorry to my unknown lover. Sorry that I can't believe that anybody ever really starts to fall in love with me. Sorry to my unknown lover. Sorry I could be so blind. Didn't mean to leave you and all of the things that we had behind. I run away when things are good. I never really understood the way you laid your eyes on me in ways that no one ever could. And so it seems I broke your heart. My ignorance has struck again. I failed to see it from the start and tore you open to the end. And I'm sorry to my unknown lover. Sorry that I can't believe that anybody ever really starts to fall in love with me. I could be so blind, didn't mean to leave you, and all of the things that we had behind. And someone will love you, someone will love you, someone will love you, but someone isn't me. And someone will love you, someone will love you. Someone will love you, but someone isn't me.
Right now, you can get both Sprint's unlimited plan and the all-new Samsung Galaxy S10 included for just $35 per month per line for 5 lines. All you need is approved credit and an 18-month lease. No trade-in required. Visit a Sprint store, sprint.com, or call 800-SPRINT-1.
Phone $15 a month after $22.50 a month. Credit apply within 2 bills. If canceled earlier, remaining balance due. Unlimited basic after 6/30/20. Pay $32 per month per line for 5 lines with auto-pay. Data deprioritization during congestion. Speed maximums. Use rules and restrictions apply.
Fire up your grill and discover why prime pork from the Fresh Market is better than the rest. Every cut is generously marbled and hand-selected for restaurant-quality pork chops, tenderloin, and baby back ribs. Celebrate prime grilling season with the Fresh Market near you.
Sit in the park car, we don't even fight no more. We don't even touch no more. Used to be my best friend, we don't even laugh no more. Barely even talk no more. You wanna hold my hand and then you won't. You say you love me, then you don't. You keep me running and running around. If I'm not all you need, then just set me free. I'm down on my knees. If you're not the one for me, then just let me be. I'm begging you, please. I'm praying for closed doors and open windows. I'll follow where the wind blows. Don't be scared to leave. If I'm not all you need, then just set me free. I'm down on my knees tonight. We used to go out on dates that you don't wanna go no place. Feels like we're stuck in one place. I wish I could read your mind. Instead I gotta read your eyes. Oh, how they tell me lies. You wanna hold my hand and then you won't. You say you love me, then you don't. You keep me running and running around. If I'm not all you need, then just set me free. I'm down on my knees. If you're not the one for me, then just let me be. I'm begging you, please. I'm praying for closed doors and open windows. I'll follow where the wind blows. Don't be scared to leave. If I'm not all you need, then just set me free. I'm down on my knees tonight. Set me free. Let me be. I'm down on my knees. I'm down on my knees. Set me free. Let me be. I'm down on my knees. If I'm not all you need, then just set me free. I'm down on my knees. back to me. I want you to rule my life, you to rule my life, you to rule my life, yeah. I want you to fuck up my nights, yeah, fuck up my nights, yeah, all of my nights, yeah. I want you to bring it all on, if you make it all wrong, that'll make it alright, yeah. I want you to rule my life, you to rule my life, you to rule my life. I want you to rule my life, you to rule my life, you to rule my life, yeah. I want you to fuck up my nights, yeah, fuck up my nights, yeah, all of my nights, yeah. I want you to bring it all on, if you make it all wrong, that'll make it alright, yeah. I want you to rule my life, you to rule my life, you to rule my life. I miss you more than I thought that I could. I miss you. I know you missing me too, like you should. I miss you. You set fire to my world, couldn't handle the heat. Now I'm sleeping alone and I'm starting to freeze. Baby, come bring me out, let it rain over me. Baby, come back to me. Baby, come back to me. I want you to rule my life, you to rule my life, you to rule my life, yeah. I want you to fuck up my nights, yeah, fuck up my nights, yeah, all of my nights, yeah. I want you to bring it all on, if you make it all wrong, that'll make it alright, yeah. I want you to rule my life, you to rule my life, you to rule my life. I want you to rule my life, you to rule my life, you to rule my life, yeah. I want you to fuck up my nights, yeah, fuck up my nights, yeah, all of my nights, yeah. I want you to bring it all on, if you make it all wrong, that'll make it alright, yeah. I want you to rule my life, you to rule my life, you to rule my life. I miss you, I miss you. I wish you, I wish you will come back to me, come back to me, come back to me. I want you to rule my life, you to rule my life, you to rule my life. I want you to fuck up my nights, yeah, fuck up my nights, yeah, all of my nights, yeah. I want you to bring it all on, if you make it all wrong, then I'll make it alright. I want you to rule my life, you to rule my life, you to rule my life. I want you to rule my life, you to rule my life, you to rule my life, yeah. I want you to fuck up my nights, yeah, fuck up my nights, yeah, all of my nights, yeah. I want you to bring it all on, if you make it all wrong, then I'll make it alright, yeah. I want you to rule my life, you to rule my life, you to rule my life. You made plans and I made problems. We were sleeping back to back. We knew this day was built to last. Good on paper, picture perfect. Chase the high too far too fast. Picket white fence but we painted black. And I wish you would hurt me harder than I hurt you. And I wish you wouldn't wait for me, but you always do. I've been hoping somebody loves you in the ways I couldn't. Somebody's taking care of all of the mess I made. Someone you don't have to change. I've been hoping someone will love you, let me go. But you're holding on to what you never had. It's good on paper, picture perfect. Chase the high too far too fast. Pick your white fence, but we painted black. And I wish that you would hurt me harder than I hurt you. And I wish you wouldn't wait for me, but you always do. I've been hoping somebody loves you in the ways I couldn't. Somebody's taking care of all of the mess I made. Someone you don't have to change. I've been hoping someone will love you, let me go. Someone will love you, let me go. I've been hoping
get started making money flipping houses right here in Mobile, Gulfport, and Biloxi? This is Dan Merrill, star of A&E's hit TV show Flip This House. My team and I are looking for a handful of people in the Mobile, Gulfport, and Biloxi area who want to learn how to get started making money flipping houses in your spare time using other people's money.
Next week, Dan is holding a free 2-hour workshop right here in Mobile, Biloxi, and Gulfport. To get 2 free tickets, just click the banner or text your 5-digit zip code to 66,000. Text your zip code to 66,000.
At Crystal, Friday isn't just a day. Friday is a state of mind. And guess what? Fridays at Crystal just got a whole lot better because now you can get a large fry or our new tater tots for just $1. Wait, just $1 for a large fries or a large tot? Yeah, you heard right. Who loves you, baby? Crystal does, that's who. So come celebrate every Friday with us and get $1 large fries or large tots all day at Crystal. Live a little. Copyright 2019, The Crystal Company. All rights reserved, limited time at participating restaurants.
shut my mouth. So won't you tell me, babe, are you happy now? You're the only one who can up and run, leave me just as empty as the day you came. You hold all the cards, all the broken hearts strung over your shoulder till it's all in vain. And only you know the strength in your teeth, the washing the weight of your pockets so deep. Lonely, you're a world away, somewhere in the crowd, in a foreign place. Are you happy now? There's nothing left to say, so I shut my mouth. So won't you tell me, babe, are you happy now? Are you happy now? In the palm of your hands, you can make me dance, spin me round in circles till I'm wrapped in string. You keep on talking sweet till your fingers bleed, but don't you dare ask me how I've been. Now only you know the strength in your teeth, the washing the weight of your pocket so deep. Lonely, you're a world away, somewhere in the crowd, in a foreign place. Are you happy now? There's nothing left to say, so I shut my mouth. So won't you tell me, babe, are you happy now? Are you happy now? Somewhere in the crowd, in a foreign place. Are you happy now? There's nothing left to say, so I shut my mouth. So won't you tell me, babe, are you happy now?
Texting enrolls for recurring marketing messages sent via automatic text message. Terms and conditions at textrules.us. Message and data rates may apply. Want a money-making career in fitness as a personal trainer? There's a massive need for personal trainers, and gyms are paying top dollar. The ISSA, the global leader in personal fitness certification, is guaranteeing you'll get a job. That's right. Once you're certified, ISSA guarantees you'll get a job. Just text START to 246810 to get started free. Get certified and get a job fast. Guaranteed. Just text START to 246810 right now to get started for free. Text the word START to 246810.
Hey, it's Gunnar Peterson, your personal trainer. Get an exclusive workout with me, plus a great mix of songs on the Training Boost station I created with Propel Vitamin Boost. Whatever your level, this station is designed to boost your mood and your heart rate. Tap now to start listening.
I can see you hurting. I've been through the same thing. Baby, don't you worry, I got you. I just wanna know you. Tell me all your secrets. Looking like you need it. 'Cause I got you. I got you. 'Cause I got you. I got you. We can get high, oh na na na. We can get low, oh na na na. Let me be a friend, baby, let me in. you're thinking, always overthinking. I just wanna love you, I got you. Don't have to be so guarded. Let's finish what we started. It's all I ever wanted. 'Cause I got you, you, you. I got you, I got you. We can get high, oh na na na. We can get low, oh na na na. Let me be a friend, baby, let me in. Tell you no lies, oh na na na. We can get lost, oh na na na. Take it all off, oh na na na. Let me be a friend, baby, let me in. Give it to me all, oh na na na. 'Cause I got you, you, you. I got you, I do the time for you, tell a lie for you, yeah, baby, that's what I do. I walk the line for you, take a shot for you, yeah, baby, that's what I do. 'Cause I got you, it's true. I die for you, I die for you. I got you. We can get high, oh na na na. We can get low, oh na na na. Let me be a friend, baby, let me in. Tell you no lies, oh na na na. We can get lost, oh na na na. Take it all off, oh na na na. Let me be a friend, baby, let me in. Give it to me all, oh na na na. 'Cause I got you, you, you. I got you, I got you, I got you, you, you. I got you, I got you, I got you. Rule number one is that you gotta have fun. But baby, when you're done, you gotta be the first to run. Rule number two, just don't get attached to somebody you could lose. So let me tell you, this is how to be a heartbreaker. Boys, they like a little danger. We'll get 'em falling for a stranger, a player singing I love you. How to be a heartbreaker. Boys, they just between you and me. When I hear your voice, I know I'm finally free. Every single word is perfect as it can be, and I need you here with me. When you lift me up, I know that I'll never fall. I can speak to you by saying nothing at all. Every single time I find it harder to breathe, 'cause I need you here with me every day. You're saying the words that I want you to say. There's a pain in my heart and it won't go away. Now I know I'm falling in deep, 'cause I need you here with me every day. You're saying the words that I want you to say. There's a pain in my heart and it won't go away. Now I know I'm falling in deep, 'cause I need you here with me. I think I see your face in every place that I go. I try to hide it, but I know that it's gonna show. Every single night I find it harder to sleep, 'cause I need you here with me every day. You're saying the words that I want you to say. There's a pain in my heart and it won't go away. Now I know I'm falling in deep, 'cause I need you here with me every day. You're saying the words that I want you to say. There's a pain in my heart and it won't go away. Now I know I'm falling in deep, 'cause I need you here with me. Can I tell you something just between you and me? When I hear your voice, I know I'm finally free. Every single word is perfect as it can be, 'cause I need you here with me.
What's on the
Into the person people told me I should be. Some days I wake up, I just wanna hide under the covers, 'cause no matter what I do, I'll never be like all the others, because I'm a little ODD. Most people really don't get me. I'm the girl in the back of the class, pink hair, but I'm wearing all black. I'm a little ODD. I see the way you look at me. I can hear it when they talk that trash, saying any minute she gon' crack.